Hi guys, Freshbooks and Honeybook are two of the most popular accounting softwares today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Freshbooks and Honeybook, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use it. You can start with a free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is best for you. And let's start with the pricing. Freshbooks offer 4 different plans to cater to businesses of varying sizes. The Lite plan costs just $6.80 per month and supports up to 5 billable clients, while the Plus plan costs $12 per month and supports up to 50 billable clients. The Premium plan costs $22 per month and supports an unlimited number of billable clients, and they can even have a select plan customized for businesses with specialized needs. They also offer a free 30-day trial with no credit card required, and their support staff is available to assist customers with any questions or concerns. However, you should know there is currently a 60% off your first 6 months deal that keeps prices lower. The real prices are $17, $30, and $55. Honeybook, on the other hand, offers 3 pricing plans: Starter, Essentials, and Premium, all of which include unlimited clients and projects, invoices and payments, proposals and contracts, and a client portal. The plans differ in the number of team members allowed, automation tools, integrations, advanced reports, and priority support. The Starter plan costs just $19 per month, or $16 per month billed annually, while the Essentials plan costs $39 per month, or $32 per month billed annually. The Premium plan, which includes everything in the Essentials plan plus unlimited team members, priority support, multiple companies, and a dedicated account manager, costs $79 per month or $66 per month billed annually. And for the advantages, Freshbooks and Honeybook are both software platforms that offer invoicing and accounting services for businesses. Freshbooks has been in business since 2003 and has received multiple awards, including an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. One of the most appealing features of Freshbooks is that it allows clients to pay using credit cards or PayPal on the platform's website, making the payment process much more convenient for both the business and the client. On the other hand, Honeybook is a more cost-effective option, particularly suited for small businesses and freelancers. Honeybook offers a solo plan specifically designed for freelancers that doesn't include team collaboration features. If you're a freelancer looking for an affordable option, Honeybook may be an excellent choice for you. If you require team collaboration features and need the assurance of a well-established business, Freshbooks may be more suitable for you. Freshbooks offers more advanced features and a broader range of tools which may be beneficial for larger businesses with more complex accounting needs. Ultimately, the choice between Freshbooks and Honeybook will depend on your business's unique needs. And for the design, when it comes to design, Freshbooks has a clean and professional look that is easy to navigate. It boasts a simple interface with large icons on the left-hand side for different pages and features, along with quick links at the top of each page. Additionally, the dashboard provides a detailed overview of your business's current financial situation, including how many clients you have, the amount of money in your accounts, the number of bills due, and the total number of invoices sent. On the other hand, Honeybook's design may not be as professional as Freshbooks, with fewer images and less white space. However, it still manages to provide an easy-to-navigate interface. The left-hand side of the page offers different options for adding clients, invoices, projects, expenses, bank accounts, and support tickets. And for the integrations, when you're running a business, it's important to have software that integrates with other apps to make your life easier. Freshbooks understands this, which is why they offer an extensive list of integrations. For example, if you're a fan of Google Drive and Dropbox, you'll be happy to know that Freshbooks can connect with them. This means that you can easily import and export files between Freshbooks and your cloud storage, making it easy to manage your files. Freshbooks also offers integration with Slack, a popular communication platform. This integration allows for real-time updates, so you can stay up to date with your team's progress without having to leave Freshbooks. Accepting payments online is another essential part of running a business, and Freshbooks makes it easy with its PayPal integration. With this integration, you can easily accept credit card payments directly through your Freshbooks account. And if you're looking for a way to manage your customer relationships, Freshbooks has got you covered with its integration with Salesforce. This integration allows you to seamlessly manage your customers and leads and keep track of your sales funnel. But that's not all. FreshBooks also offers integration with Xero, a cloud-based accounting software. This integration allows you to connect your bank accounts to FreshBooks, making it always easy to manage your finances. On the other hand, Honeybook has a smaller number of direct integrations, such as QuickBooks, Xero, Calendar, Google Calendar, and others, but don't let that fool you. With Zapier, Honeybook can connect with thousands of apps, which means you can automate and streamline your workflows just as easily. However, you must pay for this service. So choosing between FreshBooks and Honeybook depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. If you're still not sure which to pick, here's my recommendation. If you're a freelancer looking for an affordable option, Honeybook is a great choice. Honeybook's starter plan starts at just $19 a month, making it a cost-effective option for small businesses and freelancers. If you require team collaboration features and need the assurance of a well-established business, FreshBooks may be more suitable for you. FreshBooks offers more advanced features and a broader range of tools which may be beneficial for larger businesses with more complex accounting needs. If you're looking for software with a clean and professional design, FreshBooks is a great option. It boasts a simple interface with large icons and quick links for different pages and features, along with a detailed overview of your business's current financial situation. Consider factors such as the size of your business, the features and tools you require, and your budget when making a decision. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, and that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.